In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task from a Microsoft Teams message. If you want to turn a chat message into something more actionable, Microsoft Teams makes that process simple by letting you use loop components right inside a conversation. This is especially useful when you're discussing work with teammates and want to capture next steps without leaving the chat. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or conversation where you want to create the task. This can be a one-on-one chat, a group chat, or a channel conversation, depending on where the discussion is happening. The key is to start in the exact place where the task needs to be shared, so everyone involved can see it in context. Once you're in the message area, look for the Loop Components icon in the message box. This icon gives you access to collaborative elements that can be inserted directly into your message. Click it to open the available options. If you don't immediately recognize it, take a moment to hover over the icons in the Compose area until you find the correct one. From the Loop Component options, select Task List. This inserts a task list into your message draft so you can begin building the item you want to assign or track. It's a handy way to keep work organized without needing to switch to a separate app in the middle of a conversation. Next, enter the task details. This is where you describe what needs to be done. Be as clear and specific as possible so the person receiving the task understands exactly what's expected. A well-written task helps avoid confusion later and makes follow-up much easier. After that, fill in the main task information, the task name, who it's assigned to, and the due date. The task name should be short but descriptive. For the assignment field, choose the appropriate person from the conversation or team. Then set a due date so there's a clear timeline. Adding these details makes the task much more useful and helps everyone stay aligned on responsibilities and deadlines. When everything looks correct, go ahead and hit send. Your task list will be posted directly into the team's conversation, where others can view it and collaborate as needed. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly review the information to make sure the task title, assignee, and due date are accurate. That's all it takes to create a task from a Microsoft Teams message. It's a fast and practical way to turn conversations into action and keep your team organized right where the discussion is happening.